If you're curious about Coursera Learning Results, you might be wondering what people actually gain from using the platform and whether it can make a real difference in your career. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing if you're interested. With Coursera Plus, subscribers get access to more than 10,000 learning programs from organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and many leading universities around the world. The results people experience can vary depending on their goals, but many learners use Coursera to gain new knowledge, improve job performance, prepare for career changes, and develop in-demand skills. According to Coursera's Learner Outcome Report, 91% of learners reported positive career outcomes, including increased knowledge, better work performance, and new job opportunities. Another advantage is the ability to earn certificates after completing eligible courses. These credentials can be added to your resume and LinkedIn profile to help showcase your skills. Many learners appreciate the flexibility of studying at their own pace. Whether you're learning AI, Python, business, technology, or data science, you can fit courses around your existing schedule. Because Coursera Plus includes unlimited certificates and thousands of programs, many subscribers find that they can continue building new skills without paying separately for every course. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. The current offer is available until July 13th, 2026. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start learning from some of the world's top universities and companies.